So when I prescribe exercise to midlife people, we talked about the acronym I use is FACE. Again, I find people like
Yeah, it's great.
F is flexibility and joint mobility. I know this will ring with you because we have to keep our tendons and ligaments long, and we have to keep our joints moving through a full range of motion. Otherwise, they get dried out, all rusted out, and we become the hunched over shuffling people. So that's F. A is aerobics. C is carrying a load we talked about, but E, we've got to spend time on equilibrium and foot speed. I physically teach the women that come to here to be with me physically foot speed. I have this Olympic track and field speed coach here in this place where I work. We teach our women the same methods that we teach Olympic athletes to move our feet fast. And why do we need to do that? So when we're trying to trip, we don't fall down. We have enough foot speed to get over the bag that I trip on nearly every day by my desk, or not to fall off the curve, so that we do not have the fatal fall.
Yeah.
We're alive and well. We trip over something.
Yep.
We break our hip, and we have a 30% chance of dying in 1 year. It's foot speed. It's balance.
So what is that? But that just happened to my 85-year-old mom. She fell over on a box and osteoporotic, fractured her shoulder, had to have reverse shoulder surgery. And your parents can be really good models of what you don't want to age like. And I thought about that. Her balance can be really off. So what does foot speed look like? Like, is it like, do I need to take up like salsa dancing or can I just?
Salsa is a very good way to work on all of this, including your brain. Salsa, pickle, but foot speed looks like, imagine sitting on a box, sitting on a plyo box, and just on the ground going like this real fast.
Oh, just like we call it, I used to do P90X forever. And he called it football sprints, where you're like,
exactly, agility. Or sometimes we use hexagons and we just go foot out, foot in, foot in.
Oh, yeah.
But you know what I'm going to introduce back? I just made a reel about this. I am going to introduce hopscotch back to this.
Oh, hopscotch is so fun.
It's agility, it's jumping, it's lateral motion, and it's play. Play is so good for us. So, yes, I want to, when I post that, I want to see you hopscotching because
I will.
All in. Yes.
Oh my God. And then you get to act like a kid, which is going to now bring in like dopamine and serotonin. So wait, but you could do even more. Like you could do everything on the play yard was great. So we had hopscotch and then we had monkey bars. Yeah. Have you ever tried doing the monkey bars as an adult? It's
because I Spartan race and it's very hard.
Okay.
It's very hard. But that's grip strength. That's upper body strength. Yeah. I'm not good at climbing a rope, but I can do the rings.
Yeah. And what about jump rope? Would jump rope be good?
Jump rope.
Speed? Yeah.
It's good for foot speed and jumping, because for those of you listeners that don't know, bone builds when we translate biomechanical impact, literally bashing your bones, to biochemical signals that, we need to build some bone osteoblasts. Jump roping, jumping up and down, plyo boxes. A mini tramp can work. NASA uses mini tramps. If your knees are killing you, get in a pool and jump in a pool, right? I'll take anything to build your bones. But 4 times body weight jumping is what the papers say. That jumping.
Interesting.
Yeah. So
what about vibration plates?
Yeah. Like power plates have some research that shows that the small vibrations, I forget the hertz, 50 hertz, that going up your bones can stimulate the osteoblast to build bone.
And so I love your acronym of FACE. So if we follow the FACE strategy I was going to say face ourselves, face ourselves. Is that a recipe not just for keeping your posture strong and your moods good, but is it a recipe for preventing osteoporosis?
Impact in the form of cardio can prevent osteoporosis. Lifting, definitely. We can increase our bone density up to 13% a year by a consistent heavy lifting program because of again, the mechanical pull on bones. And then the way equilibrium and foot speed works is to prevent the fatal fall. So the
Yeah.
F.A.C.E is how I encompass all the types of mobility that we need in midlife. Because listen, when I was 20, I got away with cardio and I didn't lift that much, but like you did, my balance was good, my flexibility was good, but now we need to pay attention to those 4 things.
Yeah, I think that's so beautiful.